võtke rakud pihku ja olge tublid, rõõmsad ja mis kõige tähtsam, ärge alluge provokatsioonidele. Aitäh!
Resiinaralli ametlikult avatud! Aplaus! See on raudteeinspektsioon 11-ndana. See võite nüüd lahkuda, Veronik. Miks tiim, miks te siin olete? Miks tiimi kapistage ennast üles, näidake siin. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Miks tiim! Ja nad lähevad võistlustulle number 4-na tiim. Elektriraudtee! Ja elektriraudtee järjekorra number 12. Põlevkiviraudtee, Eesti Energia magnaadid. Ja nemad lähevad võistlustulle teise. Go team! Main organisator of Relsiralli. Kuidas teid nii vähe on? Tulevad alles, Tallinnast tulevad alles. Ole ja partnerid võtavad ilusti ka reivisi ja näitavad ennast kõigile. Te tulite jalgratastega kõike. Turvakaalutlustel on neil kiivrid peas. Väga viisakas. Meie tiim on kaadanud ostri. Järgmine on Resiinaralli Team. Ja Resiinaralli lähevad rohkem. Eesti raudtee. Puha naiste vägi. Teie võtte juba ringi kavasid ja tobid. Nii. Rivis on siin MVH. Järgmisena tulevad siia meediatiim. Meediatiim liigutab ennast hästi kiiresti. Mis number teil oli? Number 9. Süga kummardus. Järgmine. Pasasieru Vilsiens. March up here. Up. Take the number. Ja meil on 2 uut võistkonda, need on tiim Otso ja Spa Tervis. Ja kus on tiim Otso? Nii, tervis. Ja aplaus uustulnukate. Nii, tiim Otso.
Soak up the sun. I've got a crummy job. It don't pay near enough to buy the things it takes to win me some of your love. Every time I turn around, I'm looking up, you're looking down. Maybe something's wrong with you that makes you act the way you do. Maybe I am crazy too.
make a big noise playing in the street. Gonna be a big man someday. You got mud on your face, you big disgrace. Kicking your can all over the place, singing, we will rock you. We will rock you. Buddy, you're a young man, hard man, shouting in the street. You're gonna take on the world someday. You got blood on your face, a big disgrace, waving your banner all over the place. We will rock you. Sing it! We will rock you. Buddy, you're an old man, poor man, pleading with your eyes. Gonna make you zombie someday. You got mud on your face, big disgrace. Somebody better put your bag into your place. We will rock you. Sing it! We will rock you. Everybody, we will rock you. We will rock you. All right. I paid my dues, time after time. I've done my sentence, but committed no crime. And bad mistakes, I've made a few. I've had my share of sand kicks in my face, but I've come through. I need to go on. We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions. We are the champions. No time for losers, 'cause we are the champions of the world. I've taken my bows and my curtain calls. You brought me fame and fortune and everything that goes with it. I thank you all, but it's been no bed of roses, no pleasure cruise. I consider it a challenge before the whole human race, and I ain't gonna lose. I need to go on. We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end.
take life on earth to the second birth, and the man was in command. It was a flight on the wings of a young girl's dreams that flew too far away. And we couldn't make the monster live again. Oh, hands move and heart beat on. Now life will return in this electric storm. A prophecy for a fantasy, the curse of a vivid mind. Don't push too far, your dreams are China in your hand. Don't wish too hard because they may come true, and you can't help them. You don't know what you might have set upon yourself. China in your hand. Come from greed, never born of the sea, took life from a barren hand. Oh, eyes wide, like a child in the form of